Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to crochet a beautiful drawstring bag. So let's start. So first of all we'll make a slip knot. Now chain 20. तो ये हमारी 20 चेन्स कंप्लीट हो गई हैं। After this, we'll make one double crochet in the third stitch from the hook. So ये हमारी थर्ड स्टिच है। हम लोग यहाँ पे एक डबल क्रोशे बनाएंगे। We will insert the hook. तो ये हमारा फर्स्ट डबल क्रोशे कंप्लीट हो गया है। मेक मोर 16 डबल क्रोशे। So in total we have completed 17 double crochet, and now in the last stitch we'll make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. We have completed 3 double crochet in last stitch. Next, we'll again make 16 double crochet on the opposite side. So this is our second chain. From here we will start, and we will also wrap this leftover yarn. In the last stitch, now we'll make 2 double crochet in the same stitch. अब हम एक स्लिप स्टिच करेंगे फर्स्ट डबल क्रोशे में। It's done. Now we'll chain 2, and then we will do total 38 double crochet, that is 1 double crochet in each stitch. तो ऐसे ही अब हम पूरे राउंड में एक एक डबल क्रोशे कर देंगे सारे स्टिचेस में। It's done. अब हम पहले की तरह फर्स्ट डबल क्रोशे में स्लिप स्टिच करेंगे। Now we will repeat the same pattern for 10 more times. That is, we will do chain 2, then 38 double crochet, then slip stitch into the first double crochet. We have completed our 11 round. Now chain 1 and fasten off the yarn. This part is completed now. We will hide the leftover yarn. और अब हम फ्लावर्स बनाएंगे। उसके लिए सबसे पहले हम लोग मैजिक रिंग बनाएंगे। So this is our magic ring. We'll make 5 single crochet in our magic ring. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now pull the yarn so that the circle should get closed. Now we will make slip stitch into the first single crochet like this and chain 1. Okay, so it's done. Now we will cut the yarn. Okay, so फर्स्ट स्टिच में अपनी हुक इंसर्ट करेंगे एंड वाइट यार्न को हम लोग ले लेंगे और उससे वी विल कंप्लीट द पेटल्स ऑफ आवर फ्लावर. So we have pulled the white yarn and chain 2. Okay, now we will make 2 double crochet in same stitch. The same stitch where we have make 2 chains, उसी stitch में हम लोगों को 2 double crochet बनाने हैं. 1 and this is 2. Then we will chain 2. Yes, then we will slip stitch into the next stitch. So our first petal is completed. This is our first petal. Now we have to make 4 more petals with the same pattern. So we have completed almost our 5 petals. It's just the last step. You will chain 2 and slip stitch into the next stitch. And yeah, it's done. We will chain 1 and fasten off the yarn. Our one flower is ready And now we will tie the leftover yarn and secure them. हम इसी सेम पैटर्न से टोटल 4 फ्लावर्स बना लेंगे। नाउ इट्स टर्न फॉर द स्ट्रिंग। स्ट्रिंग बनाने के लिए हम लोग वाइट यार्न लेंगे, जिससे हम लोग पहले स्लिप नॉट बनाएंगे। एंड देन चेन 80। ही हम लोग 2 स्ट्रिंग्स बना लेंगे with the chain 80. We have completed all the parts of our drawstring bag. Now we have to just arrange them. Now use needle to thread the string in row 10. By this, skipping 2 double crochet, we will thread row 10. Yes, so it's done. अब हम लोग एक नॉट बांध देंगे उनके एंड्स पे, just like this. फिर सेम इसी तरह हम लोग दूसरे साइड से अपनी दूसरी स्ट्रिंग भी इंसर्ट कर देंगे। Okay guys, so if anybody is not having this needle, so you don't have to worry. You can use the crochet hook for the same thing, just like I'm doing, because there are many beginners who don't have this needle. सो अब हम इसको भी टाई कर लेंगे, इसमें भी नॉट, और इसके बाद हम अपने फ्लावर्स को ग्लू से स्टिक कर देंगे स्ट्रिंग में। Like this, and we have to glue this properly so that it doesn't get detached. Now your drawstring bag is ready. You can use this bag in many ways. You can keep your earpods into them, or if you want, so you can put your accessories into them, or anything whatever you want to keep with yourself. All for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share, comment and subscribe to Unspoken Loops. I'll see you in next video. Until then, happy crocheting. Bye bye.